Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the battery health on your HP OmniBook 7 Flip. To check the battery health on your laptop, use the pre-installed HP Support Assistant application, and if you don't have it on your PC, you can download it from the official HP Support website, and it's a one-click install app. You can also find it in the Microsoft Store, although I actually couldn't find it here when I searched for it manually, but it's definitely here. You can actually, sometimes you can find it if you go to download section and check for updates, and your laptop will automatically install an update for your HP Support Assistant application. But anyway, you can simply find and install it from the HP Support website. And then once you open this application, enter as guest. Then on the dashboard, you have to select battery, and then run battery check, and give this check maybe a couple of minutes. And here you can change whether your battery state is normal. You can also see the advanced info, where you can find your current device, your current battery's temperature. You can check the battery's capacity, the design capacity, and the full charge capacity. So as you can see, this battery is drained by 2% overall. We can also check the cycle count in here, and the voltage of the battery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.